or similar said me, but in a different show. Welcome to Maya Cooks. We all know that Filipinos love cooking, and I'm sure that there are a lot of millennials out there who want to learn how to cook and prepare their own food. So today, yes Luna, I'm gonna be showing you how to cook Nilagang Baboy na Buto-Buto. Okay? And kini nga first dish kay mo ni akong lutuon because this is one of my parents' favorite dishes, and ako ning lutuon karon para sa amo panihapon. Say hi Luna. Meet Luna! Luna, say hi. Let's go! that's my Nilagang Baboy, mga Swiss and Orbs. I always have this passion for cooking because of the influence of my papa and lola who are really good at cooking. As in, idol jud kay nakostan ng suko. Nay nang lili. Luna? No, Ate eating. Later. I encourage people to cook, especially karon nga i-cute ang tanan because you have enough time to learn new skills and malay nimo, diba? Cooking might be one of those. So try cooking this dish, take photos, videos, and tag me with the hashtag MayaCooks. And please comment below on what dishes you want me to do on my next videos. Please don't forget to follow me on my socials at Hi Malaya and like and follow by TV. Ngaon!